Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and this is my iPhone 8. I've had it since the release day, and it's been working fine ever since. In fact, a family member was using it, and it worked fine, although all of a sudden it started to turn off randomly, and I thought that might be related to an update or whatever, so that person is now using a different iPhone or a newer iPhone than this, and this one no longer will even turn on. I actually went to turn it on the other day so that I could use it in one of the update videos that I do, and it won't turn on. It actually, if I try and boot it up, it just won't do anything. I've tried to reset it, put it in recovery mode, put it in DFU mode, charge it. It just won't charge or anything. It won't turn on at all. Now, it's not covered under AppleCare since it's over a year old, so I'm not sure Apple will cover it, but I've never had an iPhone just randomly die without it being dropped in water, if you saw that video, or being dropped. This iPhone's in quite good condition. It's had a case on it its entire life and also a screen protector, and there's no cracks, dents, anything. It's in great shape. So I'm going to go to the Apple Store, see if they can fix it. That probably won't be free since it's not under AppleCare, but we'll see what they have to say, and let's find out. The phone came back to life after it was sitting on a wireless charging pad, so I'm still going to have Apple check it out. But on my way there, I had it wirelessly charging, and it seems to be working now. As you can see here, it doesn't have any battery health issues, so it's kind of strange, but I'm still going to have Apple take a look at it. While I was at the Apple Store, the phone actually rebooted, and I got this weird white box around the Apple when it restarted. Now, since driving to the Apple Store, I went into the store and they told me there's not really much they can do. But then I said, could you please check for some recalls? Because I remember a recall on the iPhone 8, and sure enough, there was a recall. They sent out the phone, replaced it for free, and here is the new one. So let's go ahead and open this up. So open it up here. And let's see what we've got. Now, here's the actual replacement, and this is a replacement. Under this part of the letter, it shows the serial number of the old device and the new device. So instead of fixing it, they replaced it. And here's my complaints. It wouldn't power on, and then it just didn't work. So here's the new device. And this is the first time I'm taking it out of the box, and it's brand new, I think. So it could be a refurbished one. That's okay with me since it was a half a year out of warranty or more, and it looks like it works. So let's open this up or take this wrapper off. And now we're at the boot up screen. So I can set this up, and this is why you haven't seen an iPhone 8 in my videos for quite some time, because it was broken. It worked fine, and then all of a sudden it stopped. So if you have an iPhone 8 or an 8 Plus, I believe, and you're having issues where it won't turn on, or maybe it's unresponsive, or it's just shutting off, but the battery's fine, bring it to Apple and tell them, I think there's a recall for this. Could you please check? They'll check that, and most of the time, if you're having these symptoms and it's within a certain serial number range for the phone, this was an early one from the launch day, they replaced it for free, no questions asked. So they said they'd send it in, and they might replace it, but I knew they'd replace it once they sent it in anyway. That's usually what they do. They gave me this back a couple of days later, and now I have a new phone. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Have you had this issue with an iPhone 8? Thankfully, it's working just fine, and I'll be using this in other videos as well. But let me know what you think in the comments below if you've had this experience. If you'd like to get your hands on a new wallpaper, of course, I'll link one in the description, even though I didn't show it in a video or in this video. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.